Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to download videos on Safari in iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Safari app. Okay, then search on Pixabay. Okay, click on Pixabay videos. Just click, tap on this website. Okay, then show all videos and tap on search bar, then search on any videos, then funny video. Okay, tap on search, then show all funny videos. Just click on this video. Okay, then click on download. Okay, tap on download, then click on this option download, then downloaded these videos. Just wait few seconds. Download your video, then click and tap on share icon. Scroll down, click on save videos, then save, then back, tap on photos, click on this option, then first videos, downloaded videos on Safari in iPhone. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.